Alright, that's a big fish. Alright. That's a bigger fish. Alright, we are back fishing after Hurricane Ian. This is my first fishing trip since. It's October the 7th. About 7:15, 7:20 in the morning. Water is extremely high up. It's actually, it's went down the last couple of days, but we've had some real issues. I've had water up to my pool, and you can see some are close here, and we'll probably see some really bad damage in a little bit. But let's start fishing. Today we're gonna fish with Bass Pro Stik-O. I think this is green pumpkin, black flake. I've also got a Zoom Horny Toad that I'm gonna throw a little bit, and I've also got the Heaton Super Spook Junior. I always throw that around, areas where I want to do top water. So this is going to be a lot different today. As you can see, I can barely see the vegetation out here now. It's going to fish a little differently, but it'll either be really good or really bad. So fish may be crazy hungry, or they might just be turned completely off. Water temperatures before the hurricane was about 85 degrees. There's 76 degrees right now. But they've had a few days, several days since all this water. It wasn't just the 19-20 inches of rain that fell here in our area. I live in the Venice, Florida area. It wasn't just the 19 or 20 inches of rain. We had the Amayaca River levee break, which emptied a lot of water in here. So I'm sure the fish are just shocked. We were finding fish in front of my house on the streets, also snakes and everything else, but it's been different. So I want some normalcy to start happening. So oh, I got one. Well, I had one. So I did get a hit. My first hit of the day. Alright, we're gonna fish this bank, and while doing this, we're gonna be able to see a lot of the damage that was caused by Hurricane Ian. It's really sad when you relook at it. I mean, we didn't get the brunt of it, but we got pretty bad here. All right, we got us a fish here. Oh, still haven't touched one. All right, that's a big fish. All right, that's a bigger fish. Get over here, buddy. All right. it is in there good. That thing goes in there good. Alright, good little fish. Good little fish. Get on back there. It'll help me catch some of this. All right, let's see. Yeah, a little bass. Little one. I guess it'd be better to go that way. All right. Come on, brother. Come here. You knocked my floor off, buddy. Yeah, you're just big enough. All right. All right, little fish, but it is a fish. Oh, the hook all the way through his mouth there. There you go. Whew. See a lot of people that were using power washers, and I'm all for cleaning your stuff up, but we have water all the way into our pools. Let's not add more water from the city water into our lakes and keep them rising. Oh. Alright, let's see what he did to our lure. Alright. I don't know what the throat process is when somebody's power washing right now. Oh, that's a nice little fish. Yeah, that's a good fish. Hey, he's not that nice. Well, I didn't think. Man, that... You're a fireball. You are a fireball. You're not that big, but you are a toughie. Good little fish. He was a fireball, I'll tell you. He wasn't that big. About a pound and a half, something like that. But boy, he fights. And this is not a strong rod like the other one. So if you get a big fish on this one, you're gonna know it. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. I got hung up in the weeds. All right, another little bass. Wow, let it wrap that one up. Well, we're gonna finish up our day. It's kind of as slow as we thought it might be. It was very few and far between. So the water is super high and it's super cold right now. I just think we've got the fish shocked. They're just not used to what's going on. They're not feeding as much as they are, just kind of maintaining. So we'll be out here again in a couple of days. All right, we're out.